how to transfer TikTok drafts from one phone to another. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So usually when you delete the TikTok and install it in another device, the drafts are always deleted. So you cannot stop it unfortunately, but I'll show you a workaround. So open up your TikTok app and then head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now go to your drafts and then you can see that uninstalling TikTok will discard all drafts as written in the bottom. So basically, you cannot transfer your drafts to your new device, but what you can do is you can post this draft privately and only you can see it. And the private videos will also be available and visible to you in your new device. So what you can do is you can open it up and then you can hit next and then you can see followers can view this post. Tap on it and then set it to only you. Now just post it. Now you need to go to your profile and then you can see that it is not visible in your main page to your followers, and you can see the locked icon. Just tap on it and the draft will appear here. So basically, when you open up TikTok in new device, it will appear in your private videos even if your drafts will be deleted. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.